Good morning, everyone, and also to you, sir. Today, I will going to report the Section 59 and 60. Section 59. Exemption from the application of death penalty. The provision of the revised penal code as amended Republic Act Number 9165, other known as the Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002, and other special laws notwithstanding, no death penalty shall be imposed upon children in conflict with the law. So Section 59 states that no death penalty shall be imposed upon children in conflict with the law. So that's the main point or main idea of Section 59. So let's proceed to Chapter 2, Prohibited Act, Section 60. Section 60, Prohibition against labeling and shaming. In the conduct of the proceedings beginning from the initial contact with the child, the competent authorities must refrain from branding or labeling children as young criminals, juvenile delinquents, prostitutes, or attaching to them in any manner or any other derogatory names. Likewise, no discrimination, remarks, or practices shall be allowed, particularly with respect to the child's class or ethnic origin. So Section 60 states that competent authorities must refrain from branding or labeling child as young criminals. And also, no discrimination remarks to the child class or to the child ethnic origin. So, as a person who has an authority, we don't have a rights or um, we don't have a right to shame them because of what they do or because of their doings. Instead we encourage them to be good or to be better person in the future. And that would be all, sir. Thank you.